how to permanently delete EA account. So if you want to permanently delete EA account, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser or your Google and then search for delete account EA or EA support or how to delete an EA account, and then tap on delete an EA account session. It will take you to the help center. Tap on delete an EA account and it will take you to this kind of page. Now you just need to simply tap on chat now option or contact us option. You will have the contact us, tap on it, and then you just sign in. So you just need to simply go and sign in with your EA account that you would like to permanently delete. Now enter your message after logging in. So I've typed delete my account, so you need to do the same, and then it will ask you, could you share your first name, last name, and your email address. So you just need something to go and provide those information. After providing, you need to give a reason and then add an attachment if you want to, and go with send. And after that, EA will permanently delete your account. Just follow the steps. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.